Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jax here from Pristine Auto Lab, back with another exciting episode because today I am returning to talk about Vonixx. I don't know if you saw my first episode where I reviewed this product right here, Delet from Vonixx. This is their tire and rubber cleaner. And on that particular episode, it was the first time that I was testing this product, and I tested in one vehicle. So I wanted to test it further and also see how much this bottle will last me. So that's why I'm here with you today. Now, at the same time, I tested some other products, which is this one right here, Vexus. This is their wheel cleaner. And last but not least, Revox, which is their tire dressing and sealant. Now, before I begin the episode, let me give you guys a quick disclaimer by saying that even though these products were sent for me for free, this video is not sponsored. So my review is solely based on my honest opinions and personal experience. So as I said earlier, today you're going to see me further testing Delet, but also you're going to see me testing the Vexus and the Revox. Okay, again, Delet is their tire and rubber cleaner. Vexus is their wheel cleaner, and Revox is their tire dressing and sealant. Okay, now you're gonna see a demonstration on 4 other vehicles. So basically, in total, I was able to cover 5 vehicles with Delet because I have almost nothing left. I was able to cover 4 vehicles with Vexus. Again, I have almost nothing left, but I still have plenty of product left for their tire dressing and sealant. This one right here, the Revox. Okay, I feel like this should be enough for me to cover at least another 15 other vehicles. But yeah, that's just my guesstimate. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right into the demonstration, and then after I finish with the demonstration, I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So here we go, guys. Here's the before. A lot of brake dust. Let it sit and well. Again, don't let it dry onto the surface because this is an alkaline product. Both products. Delet has a higher level, but yeah, if you're working outside like I am today, make sure you don't let it dry onto the surface, okay? Because you can potentially damage your wheels and your calipers and some other components. I do have a bucket of pH neutral shampoo for my brushes and mitt, so I keep everything wet, and also it helps me with lubrication. So here we go. Time to do some agitation here. Again, dirt and grime coming right off very easily. Time to rinse it off. Here it is, guys. Wheels and tires are now clean. And here's the wheel. All right, guys, for the final touch, I'm gonna be dressing the tire with Revox from Vonixx. It's their tire dressing. And because it's a low profile tire, I'm gonna be using this applicator. It's very thick. Check this out. It's kind of almost like a cream. And here's the result. What do you guys think? Very nice tire dressing. Super easy to apply, by the way. All right, guys, so it's time for me to give you guys my final thoughts. But first, let's talk about some good news. I became collaborator with Vonixx, which means that here in the US, I'm able to offer you guys a discount if you use my promo code. All you have to do is go to the website, detailground.com, and then apply my promo code, which is PAL for my company is initials, Pristine Auto Lab or your PAL, and then you get 10% off. Not only for Vonixx products, by the way. On the website, Detail Ground, they have a whole line of products and you can get 10% off on any of those products as well, okay? Now, let's go over the final thoughts. And the first product that I'm going to be talking about is this one right here, which is Delet, the product that I featured on my first episode, okay? If you saw my reaction on that episode, that hasn't changed at all. This product is fantastic. I'm super satisfied with this product. Super efficient, very strong. I applied onto the surface, on the rubber, on the tire, and then I let it sit and dwell. I could see all the dirt and grime being lifted. And then when I did my agitation, I didn't have to put too much pressure on my brushes at all. So yeah, great products, guys. Super satisfied. It rates 5 out of 5 when it comes to cleaning power, and it's alkaline product. So on the label, they have this scale right here, as you can see. So 5 out of 5 cleaning power, and here is the indicator to tell you that it's an alkaline product. Okay. The next product will be this one right here, Vexus. This is again the wheel cleaner, and it is rated at 5 out of 5 when it comes to cleaning power, and it is also an alkaline product. Okay, not as heavy on alkaline as Delet, but still it is an alkaline product. Now my feedback about this product, same as Delet, guys. This is a great, very potent and efficient product. It did the job very well. It lifted all the dirt, grime, brake dust. I was able to easily do the agitation with my pH neutral shampoo, and it did a fantastic job. Now, if I would give a little feedback, maybe the downside for me as a professional detailer is that these foamers, these tips, as you saw, they are foamers, right? Are great. However, not to cover larger areas. So maybe next time I would transfer this into a foamer. Now, if you're a DIYer, you will be just fine by using just like this as it comes from the factory, okay? You don't need to worry about spending extra money, all right? So yeah, both great products. Now last, Revox, the tire cleaner. Gosh, sorry guys, I meant to say tire dressing, not cleaner. Tire dressing and sealant. Sorry. This is a synthetic tire. It's link-free, of course. You have to just apply and let it sit for 5 minutes before you drive off. This is a great product, guys. The results I saw, it just gave the perfect amount of gloss. Application process was super easy. It kind of self-levels itself. Yeah, this is a great product. And then it lasted, I did 5 cars and I used this much. So I'm guessing that this is going to be good for probably 15 vehicles. Okay, so yeah, great product. Again, on the scale here, durability, they claim to be 4.5 out of 5 when it comes to durability, and the shine is 3 out of 5, which is perfect. As you saw, the results, those are the kind of results that you want to have on your vehicle. You don't want something that is too shiny, you know, because that would be looking tacky, in my opinion. But yeah, Revox, great product, guys. Let me see if I have some more information here on the label. It is waterproof. It is a sealant. It offers hydrophobics. That's it, guys. That is it. So yeah, go ahead, get yours. I highly recommend these products. I am going to further use these products, and I really enjoyed the product line so far. I do have one more where I'm going to be testing, which is this one right here. Is there ceramic spray sealant? They call these SiO2 Pro. So stay tuned. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Again, detailground.com and use my promo code PAL or PAL, and you get 10% off from all the Vonixx product plus all the products that they have on their website. See you again very soon. Take care.